East Central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Streeter, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coal City, Seneca, Diamond, Ransom, Marseilles, Maudon, Braceville, South Wilmington, Kingsman, Streeter, Godley, East Brooklyn, Gardner, Morris, Verona, Carbon Hill, Dwight, Braidwood, and Shanahan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather